Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, February the 5th, 2022. I'm still recovering with my voice. Cannot talk too much, so it hurts. And we have two puzzles left, Tectonic with 4 stars and a killer Sudoku. But first one, I will solve this Tectonic with 4 stars. Will be number 4075. Today I'm not so tip top, so you can see the time is a little bit slower, the average time. Anyway, I've solved the other 3 puzzles, so I'm expecting to also solve this one. We have 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. If it's really 4 stars, okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Do not know, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the the single box? The single box, yes, the single box. I see 2 single boxes. Single box always a 1. It's always a 1. Dual box. Do we have dual boxes here in this puzzle? No dual boxes. I see a couple of triple boxes here. Triple box. The triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. The 1 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes should be 2 or a 3. We have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box should be 2. And when you see a triple box, the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay. Here also a triple box. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And remember, the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. We have a 4 there, so it cannot be a 4. This box should be a 5. Okay. Quadra box then. The following question. Do we have quadra boxes here? No quadra boxes. Cannot see anyone. Anyone. Yes. Then the next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, constructions or structures. For example, we have here L shape. We have an L shape here, or this one. Yeah, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape. Here, we have an L shape here. If you see the L shape, remember that this box is always the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Here another L shape. This box is the same number as that box. Here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes. Here another one. This box is the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Do you have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Alright, when you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. This box. Oh, wait. Yeah. Oh, forgot this. To mark this box, same number as that box. Yeah. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. There aren't any more. No. Only 3 that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Well, the next step, then it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes in this area cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. These 3 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We have here 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. These 2 boxes cannot be 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, but we already have a 1 here. So this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and 5. But we already have a 5 here, so it cannot be 5. Should be a 4. Connected with that box should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Okay, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this L shape for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Okay. Alright. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay, these 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 3 boxes surround a 5. Can it be a 5? Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Definitely a 2. Okay. Alright. Oh, well. Let me think. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be, well, I've marked this box with a 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. Okay. 2, 4, 3, and 2. Thinking. 3, 3. Yeah. Thinking. Well, we have here 3 boxes left in this W area shape. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 3. 1, 2, 3. That means that this box cannot be 1, 2, or 3, but it can also not be a 5. So the only digit left should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Okay. These two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Thinking. Yeah. Let me think. This box cannot be a 1. Complicated. Yeah. Come on. This one can be a 4. 3 can be a 1. 2 or 5. 2 or 5. Thinking. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 should be here in these 3 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3. Well, could be a 3. No, cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 5. But also cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 there. So this box cannot be a 1. We have a 1 in one of those 3 boxes. Can it be 2? Can it be 3? We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. And can it be 5? So this box should be definitely a 4. These 3 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Okay, I think this box should be 3. Can it be 1? Can it be 2? Should be 3. Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 3. Okay. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. Because if I place a 3 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. We already have a 3 there, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay. Yeah. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Well, I cannot place a 2 here. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 and a 3 are left in this triple box. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Yeah. I think this box will be 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yeah, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Yeah. 3 and 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. This box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 3. Okay. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well. 4, 3. This box cannot be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. Cannot be a 3, cannot be 4. So 2 or a 5. 2 or a 5. This box is connected with that box will 2 or a 5. But we already have a double 2 here, so it cannot be a 2. Definitely a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Okay. And now, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5. Definitely 2. And I marked those two boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Okay. Alright. I think this box will be a 4, because it can be 1. Can it be 2? Can it be 3? Should be a 4. Can it be 5? Definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 1. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, we already have a 4 there, so it can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can it be a 3? We have a number 3 there. Can it be a 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those. Yeah. I think. 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, overlooked. This should be a 1, now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore, that box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Those two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Okay, those two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this L shape for number 1. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. And 1 box left in this area for number 3. Finish in 19 minutes. Okay. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. Alright. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you later with the last puzzle, a killer Sudoku, a.k.a. Sudoku Mix. See you then. Bye-bye for now.